And a very good afternoon, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Austin Chaney here with a look at your local weather forecast. So here's what we have going on with our weather. We do have below average temperatures beginning to move on into northern Georgia. That's making you feel pretty nice as you walk from class to class. We are dry right now, but rain chances will be going up in the days ahead. And Hurricane Harvey continues to dump incredible amounts of rainfall on the Houston metro area. So looking at the big picture, here's what we have going on. We do have an area of high pressure off to our northeast. Clockwise winds around that area of high pressure are hoping to drive in some cooler temperatures here into northern Georgia. So, other things to look at on the map, we do have two tropical systems. This is Tropical Storm Harvey. It's currently meandering just off the Texas coastline. And it's continuing to pump in all that Gulf of Mexico moisture right over the same areas. Houston's picked up 25 inches of rain over the last 48 hours or so. So devastating flooding going on there. The good news is we don't have to worry about any of that locally. Do have another tropical system closer to home. Potential tropical cyclone 10 is moving away from the Georgia coastline. As it does so, we might notice a bit of an increase in wind speed, but no real rainfall from that. So as you plan your evening tonight, here's what you can expect. By about 6 p.m., temperatures cooling through the 80s will be at 81 at 6 p.m. Temperatures cooling a little bit more after sunset into the mid-70s by 9 and lower 70s as we approach midnight tonight. By tomorrow morning, another cool morning to start the day here in Athens. Will be under mostly clear skies with a low of 64 degrees. No real rainfall to worry about tonight, and winds will be out of the northeast at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Looking across the rest of northern Georgia tonight, a pleasant night is in the forecast. Again, mid-60s here in town, a little bit warmer towards the heat island of Atlanta at 68 degrees. The cool spot will be Blairsville. They'll make it down to 59 degrees, so definitely feeling like fall across the North Georgia mountains tonight. Another pleasant day is in the forecast for tomorrow as we still hang on to this wedge of cool air. We'll make it up to 84 in Athens, 85 in Atlanta, low and mid-80s elsewhere, maybe a bit warmer towards Rome. They'll make it up to 87 degrees. So for tomorrow's forecast, again, no real rainfall to worry about, just a slight chance for showers during the afternoon, along with temperatures warming up to the mid-80s under mostly sunny skies. Here's how you can plan your day. We'll be warming through the 70s by about 9 a.m., 72 degrees, up to the 80-degree mark by the time you head out for lunch, and then we'll reach a high temperature sometime around 3 or 4 tomorrow afternoon at around 84, 85 degrees. Now in the 5-day forecast is where we do have some changes to mention. Rain chances will be increasing. Now Tuesday and Wednesday still look dry, just a slight chance for showers. By Thursday, Friday, and Saturday is when rain chances begin to go up. We'll have a chance for storms Thursday and Friday afternoon. We'll call it 40% chance. Better chances as we get into the weekend, and unfortunately that does coincide with our first football game here in Athens. The good news? We're hanging on to these low 80s through the week, so not expecting any major heat problems here over the next couple of days. So with your local weather forecast, I'm student meteorologist Austin Chaney.